Hi friends, you're on the Quiz Owl Levito channel. Today, we're going to test your knowledge and see who's the sharpest one here. 50 questions, 3 levels, and a test of your knowledge. How smart are you? Let's find out. Are you ready? Let's get started. First question. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus or Mars? Mars. How many colors are in a rainbow? 7 or 6? 7. What is the largest mammal on Earth? African elephant or blue whale? Blue whale. Which country is home to the Eiffel Tower? France or Italy? France. Fifth question. How many legs does a spider have? 6 or 8? 8. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Fahrenheit? 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Who was the first president of the United States? Abraham Lincoln or George Washington? George Washington. What is the capital of the USA? Washington or New York? Washington. How many days are in a leap year? 365 or 366? 366. Next question. Which fruit is traditionally given to teachers? Apple or banana? Apple. In which ocean did the Titanic sink? Pacific or Atlantic? Atlantic. What color are Smurfs? Green or blue? Blue. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Tiger or lion? Lion. How many cents are in a quarter? 25 or 20? 25. 15th question. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Tomato or avocado? Avocado. Which of these is the symbol for gold? AU or AG? AU. What is the smallest country in the world? Monaco or Vatican? Vatican. Which of these is not a primary color? Green or yellow? Green. How many hearts does an octopus have? 2 or 3? 3. Next question. Who painted the Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh or Pablo Picasso? Vincent van Gogh. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond or corundum? Diamond. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1989 or 1991? 1989. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Liver or heart? heart. Which planet is the largest in our solar system, Jupiter or Saturn? Jupiter. 25th question. What is the most translated book in the world? The Quran or the Bible? The Bible. Which country is considered the birthplace of tea? China or India? China. What is the currency used in Japan? Won or yen? Yen. What is the soft tissue inside a tooth called? Pulp or dentin? Pulp. Who was a famous playwright from the Elizabethan era? William Shakespeare or Oscar Wilde? William Shakespeare. Next question. Which element does O represent on the periodic table? Oxygen or osmium? Oxygen. Which city was the capital of Italy right before Rome? Turin or Florence? Florence. Which sense is a dolphin most known for? Hearing or smell? Hearing. What is the main gas in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen or nitrogen? Oxygen. On which island is the Statue of Liberty located? Liberty Island or Ellis Island? Liberty Island. 35th question. How many continents are there on Earth? 6 or 7? 7. Which blood type is considered the rarest in the world? AB negative or RH null? RH null. How many bones are in a human child's body? 270 or 206? 270. Which city is the oldest inhabited in the world? Damascus or Athens? Damascus. Which value best approximates the speed of light in a vacuum? 299,792 kilometers per second. Next question. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie or Rosalind Franklin? Marie Curie. What is the only bird that can fly backwards? Swift or hummingbird? Hummingbird. In which city were the first Olympic Games held? Olympia or Athens? Olympia. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Elephant or giraffe? Giraffe. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Astana or Almaty? Astana. 45th question. How many strings does a standard violin have? 6 or 4? 4. What is the largest desert in the world? Antarctica or Sahara? Antarctica. Which generation of mobile networks first introduced digital encryption for calls? 2G or 1G? 2G. Which Apollo 11 astronaut stayed in orbit while the other two landed on the moon? Neil Armstrong or Michael Collin? Michael Collin. Which element has a symbol that does not match its English name at all? Sodium or carbon? Sodium. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus or Neptune? Uranus.